Hello everyone, welcome back to Yas SS Park. Let's heal and learn together. Today we are going to see about another topic from the physiology, which is of pineal gland. Let's see about it. At the end of the section, you will be able to understand the structure of pineal gland and apply this knowledge in the clinical applications and also therapeutic uses. The pineal gland is a small endocrine gland located in the center of the brain, the epithalamus. It is often called as the uh, biological clock of our body because it secretes the hormone melatonin. And this tiny gland plays a major role in regulating our sleep-wake cycle and many other body rhythms. This is a picture where we can find out the pineal gland is present. The pineal gland is present in the epithalamus. The main hormones secreted by the pineal gland is of melatonin. It is derived from the amino acids and there is of amino acid tryptophan, which is of secreted mostly at the night in the darkness. Segregation decreases during the daylight, and melatonin is responsible for making us to feel sleepy at the night and helps to maintain our rhythmic rhythm. Already we have seen that the pineal gland is located in the epithalamus region. This is a closer visualization. The pineal gland perform the several important functions, which is of first is of regulating the sleep cycle. We can during the sleep time, we want the melatonin to secrete it. The pineal gland is secreting, so the control the biological clock. So we are able to maintain the sleep cycle correctly. And next is of influence of the puberty and sexual menstruation. Puberty, attaining, and the hormonal controls are influenced by the pineal gland. And next comes of helping in seasonal rhythms. According to the seasons, the biological changes and hormonal changes will be changing. It supports and immune function and also antioxidant properties it has. In nursing foundation, you will be able to know the sleep wake cycle. It is a walk vacant time. There is a daytime and sleep time, how it's held. The core body temperature is maintained and also the melatonin secretions is given and hormonal levels are maintained in the sleeping time. And also in opposite in waking time, waking time, the artificial light at the night and shift works is a main disturbance. And here the result, here the homostatic sleep pressure is maintained. So the sleep wake cycle is a main important important as important role as a pineal gland as a important role in this main cycle controlling all these. The activity of pineal gland is controlled by the light and darkness. The light decreases and melatonin secretions is higher. When darkness increases, melatonin secretions also. The pathway is of retina and suprachiasmatic nucleus, which is of located in the hypothalamus and is of pineal. This is why we advise patient to sleep in the dark room and avoid the bright screen before the bedtime. We have already seen that how is the light emits and how it's transferred to the pineal gland for the secretions. Here the light when it's secreted it transferred to the suprachiasmatic nucleus which is located in the hypothalamus and reaches the pineal gland. Whereas the light is dark and how it's created. This is the melatonin formula histopathologically. So histologically structures of pineal gland is of it is covered by the connective tissue cap. Can divide them into one is of main lobe is of contains of pineal cytosis, which is of main hormones giving productions of segregating cells, and another one is of interstitial gluteus, which is of cells supporting the calcium deposit, which increases the with age and are visualized in the X-ray. When you are taking X-ray, this may be of visualized. This cell is visualized clearly. Clinical importance. We have seen this is a quick mind map. Here we are summarizing how it's where the pineal gland is located. The location is of epithalamus, and we have seen where it's located. We have to draw the diagram. And next is of melatonin hormones, how it's secreted and the pathway, how it reaches, and how the implication influence of the sleep-wake cycle is implemented in the melatonin, and also how pineal gland plays a main role in the sleep-wake cycle, and how it's reacted, and of hormones imbalance, how it's functioning, and what are the features to regulate it. We have seen all these, and also uh, how the influence in the sleep important in the sleep disorder and puberty time, how is the pineal gland is located, how is reactions or to the all these phenomena. Reference. Thank you.